Hi, my name is Janine Kiers. I work at the Delft University of Technology as Product Manager MOOCs. In this video, I will give you an overview of the ins and outs of assessment and accreditation in MOOCs. What is the low-cost approach to assessment and accreditation in MOOCs? You've now seen some cost-effective approaches to pedagogy, institutional services and technology. But how to approach assessment and accreditation in a low-cost manner? The real low-cost approach to this would be to issue credit for an openly available MOOC that was developed by another institution. And in this way, uncouple the course and the accreditation. I will come back to that at the end of my talk. First, we will look at assessment. Machine grading doesn't involve human interaction and is easily scalable, but it has its limitations. We can only use it for closed questions. Machine grading of open questions, or essays, has not been perfected, and the question is if it will be. Another approach to assessment of open questions is peer grading. This may work well when all students are active and grade their fellow students properly, but in MOOCs we see lots of issues. For instance, because students do not grade seriously. It will also depend on your platform which functionalities are available. So, how do we know if the person behind the laptop is really the person whose name is on the certificate? You may have signed an honor code where you state that you are really who you are and that you performed the work yourself. Or alternatively, you may have paid to have your ID verified. But that only checks in one or a few points in time if the picture on the ID matches with the face on the camera. Or this is analyzed by analyzing your typing pattern. Both methods are very easy to cheat. A student with a MOOC certificate will need to demonstrate in another way that he or she can work with the material that was taught in the course. And this is where the accrediting institution comes in. To make the life of employers, where the students will apply for a job, easier, the accrediting institution can check what the student learned and provide proof of that in a certificate. The more adventurous employers may want to hire someone and have them demonstrate what they learned in their jobs. An alternative or midway for that is, for instance, a 3-day selection procedure. All of this is part of the unbundling of education. We do not only learn during our formal education at recognized institutions, we are lifelong learners that acquire our skills and knowledge from a variety of providers, and MOOCs is one of them. This also means that it will be more difficult to evaluate all this non-formal training. But let's keep in mind that also the conventional demonstrators of acquired skills are not guarantees. So here's the question for you. What, in your opinion, is the value of a MOOC certificate? And should we or should we not work to expand that? Thank you.